Pathetic.
Yep.
Yeah, it kind of was, but we were saving all our money and all our drugs. We had really nothing else to do.
Exactly.
Yeah, Ed was fucking speed sick, and he kept getting up in our face. Burger King meal, fucking love.
Burger King meal?
Burger King meal, please. Yeah, we were adding the sound effects as they ran towards us. Yeah. Sauce, pepper, ketchup.
No.
Try by me. Did you get a bomb? I just took my foot off the gas. That's all I did.
No, like you sat up real quick. I thought you'd seen something.
Resituating myself. Jackrabbit Mountain.
Chimneys?
The chimneys.
Okay.
Is that where we're supposed to go to get to the path to go up? Started picking up everybody in town. These guys.
What?
Yeah.
I think they were just rain sheets.
They're like, we're at the aquarium now. Yeah? I thought they were talking about the one in the
Chimney Top Trailman?
Oh, it sucks to be them.
Oh god, yeah.
You're crazy.
No one's throwing that. Foggy sim.
Yeah.
Roster sim?
Uh-huh.
Oh man, I'm getting so
Sorry.
Man, I bet you it's not rated. Off the mountain. I bet you we could have been fishing right now. I'm going in a river, fucking rain or not. I'm going somewhere. I'll stand out there in the nice warm rain.
Chris is one of the movie drivers.
Yeah. You see going. Who's the real like far? Not saying that you're doing that, but. No matter.
Sex just good. What's on that whole sex variety show? Like behind the music section?
No, I didn't see that. Remember a show called 3D on the Hollywood special?
Over TV?
Homer fucking
Yeah.
hole, and he came out to like human land, like where the humans walking around, he's all 3D. What's going on? It was like a poltergeist thing because they were listening to him.
X-rated big shot.
Yeah.
Nice little mountain screen.
Nice little,
Oh man.
in the clouds.
What?
We're in the clouds.
Sorry, I mean she said I can hear your stomach growling. Wait, what did she say? I didn't mean to like mock her. Mockery on that.
We mock. What we doing?
Chuck you Farley.
Chuck you Farley? Chuck you.
Benson. I think I could get a cigarette. Hey, that's what the bears do.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a... Yellowstone, then Smoky.
Yellowstone?
Yellow.
You're yellow.
Nobody.
Yo, I don't even know.
Yeah? Pick like a tree and get out of here.
Make like a tree. Get out.
Get out.
Hollow.
What are we in New York?
What's up?
What's up? What's up, man? What's going on?
Hey, how you doing?
Big plate of fries. Clingmans Dome closed. December, March 31st. No, it doesn't snow in the winter.
It does not pertain to us. Everyone's going up here too. are proper now. Would you like that?
No, some, ew, what was that? Grits?
Yeah.
Ugh, man.
That stuff's good.
Southern style grits.
What
Like
is it?
oatmeal.
It's oatmeal?
Like oatmeal.
But it's so watered. Some of them ones that they get in China, you know, when they show the ones by China, the typhoons, they're huge.
Cyclones by name. Hurricanes by
By
nature.
night.
Shagwell by day.
Shagwell? No, it's more like, That's fucked up. That's hell right there, buddy. Alright, we're heading into the tornado here. Push out, boys.
Yeah, it's so slow.
What's going on, dude?
Anybody want to get out of the car?
Yeah, go real slow. Yeah.
Right? Isn't that the funniest part? When you flip it out, I don't know ever happened. You're crying and then it's like laughing.
I wonder if we'd peel out if we gunned it.
Yeah, you would.
I know.
You're on ice.
Mostly.
If I peeled out, I'd be in that tree.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit for that.
Dead.
You have like no control there.
He's got control.
Oh, I'm in second.
Yeah.
Slow.
This looks pretty thick. This is cool.
We're in Clingmans Dome, it's hailing. Hello, hold back on.
You like them.
I know. I'm going on and off the hill.
Well, how would you think, man? If we went this and it'd be raining?
No, don't do this one now.
Damn.
There's them.
Yeah, when you're coming down this thing, man, creep.
Uh-huh. First gear.
They're flat.
What, that is? Nice.
Drought grass.
All the leaves getting torn up by the hill.
Oh, you're right.
All the combination of leaves.
You don't remember that smell, Ron?
Preschool, right?
No, remember that smell?
Yeah,
When we had that hailstorm? My yard had like
Shit's
fog
thick.
on the ground.
I know.
It was hot,
I think it's
cold,
stopped.
all that cold
All
in the
that
ground.
storm, the hailstorm.
There was a steam. You could smell this fucking smell of vegetation. It's like every kind of
Fresh
plant,
cut
tree,
open a
bush, flower, all together. That smell.
Good smell, better.
That's the first time I skid.
This is June 25th.
Hailstorm. Who's that?
June 25th in Tennessee.
What?
What, Chris?
June 25th in Tennessee. We're in a hailstorm.
I think it'll say that.
Only at the beginning now.
Yeah, bro, we're not even halfway up.
It's only raining.
I know, but
This
there's
guy would
still.
Yes. Every time a car comes past, you get out of the ruts a little bit, so you're driving through the sludge.
Yeah, just so if we skid, we can hit the other. No.
No.
Alright.
It just throws the shit all over the place. This guy's in the ditch. No, it's a full on.
Whoa! Woo! I think I got that.
Thunder head now. No one's got a map.
Did you see that bolt?
Yeah, I did.
That was nice.
I felt that bolt.
I saw.
Oh, there's a pretty decent map of the park in one of those things I picked up.
Hey Chris, it's also easier to not spin the tires if you're in the tire marks themselves. It's not against the hail there. Here comes one.
Oh, hell.
Hell to Clingman.
It's That's probably why it's got its name, Inhale. Because, like, it happened in the South, and they're like, oh, hell.
Ah, hell.
You're lucky that shit ain't fake.
Good shit.
Slow down.
Yeah, like, not even 20 miles down.
Don't ever jam on the brakes.
I would just put it in first gear. Nope.
No. There is one part of this road where it's like... You're going so slow.
What, a hairpin like that?
Yeah,
You went around it.
Dude, I slowed down for it. I wasn't gonna hit it. But it kept going towards me.
Yeah, it's stupid. It was like
There it is. Samsonite.
the oxygen balance.
Alright, Chris, now you gotta be careful to drink on tire tracks, dog. Oh, that's cool. Oh man, you never know. We could even get up close. Well, not above the totally, but
Like
straight.
Four-wheel drive.
I just wish we had a drink.
Fucking awesome. Such a feel like that.
I see it.
Going nice and slow. Good for videotaping.
I'm dead.
Oh, it's fucking hot as hell in here.
I know, you're telling me.
Rear defroster.
Get the heat crank.
Yeah.
Well,
Put it on. Because that doesn't defrost the window.
Down.
I gotta put that down.
Nah, I just see it starting to creep back.
Oh yeah, back. Yeah, I just got that right in my fucking.
Sorry.
Good?
Slippery.
I don't want to stop it.
Oh, it's a hailstorm. There's another one. It's melted by now. Okay, Jeff, fine, let's go.
No, it's not.
Oh, it's hot.
Wait, was Roger yet?
We're there yet.
Damn
Now you gotta
close.
find the rest. Let's go. Hey, huh? Come through.
Hey, hon. I got a poncho in the back. People are walking around and shit.
Oh, man. It's just like...
Yeah, especially like right now.
Ow. Hey, are we gonna chill here for a little bit?
I think so.
Wait for this fucking storm to go?
Yeah.
Stop hailing?
Wait for the storm. Is this the top?
Yeah. This is Clingmans Dome as far as they'll let you drive up.
Yeah, that sucked. Alright, at least since we're just sitting here, can you like do something about that heat?
Yeah, we don't need that.
Yeah, turn it up.
Let's have the air on.
Come on, feel the noise.
No. Gas, man. I'm low on it. Don't put the air AC and kill it.
That's for a second.
Oh, the guy at Burger King gave Chris fucking Motley Crue fucking album.
Old man John.
You still have that tape?
It's actually only just really hailing. It's not even raining. Turn away.
Hey, when this storm passed, can't see out the front.
Big fog.
Can't see nothing.
No, I just like the way it's
1 + 1 = 6.
foggy.
Whoa!
Yeah, what the fuck was over that? It's like, maybe, I think that means that they got married, which is 2, and then they're gonna
I got
have 4
urginate.
kids. They plan on having 4 kids, so 1 + 1 = 6. You know what I'm saying?
Where were you?
Now it's a half-mile hike, Gulf Key.
Is it up by that tower there?
It's in the...
tower. What? Oh, never mind. It's like right. Plan on putting these slippers on. What the hell was that?
You could put them... Yeah, just put them back there. Slippers.
got a white chest. Yeah, what? No, chill. Got something right above his head, you see it? Like right on his nose, like a little thing sticking out. Ah, another one right behind you. There. It's got to be the male or something. The other one was different.
That's a nice bass. Oh.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You ready, Ben?
Yeah.
Came right out from underneath that rock.
Out to the right.
Get out.
See if I can get him to splash. Whoa, that's a big fucking spider. Big what? Look at that spider.
I'll caught a fish.
Alright, ready? Whoa.
I really don't see him.
Ben,
Move your left. Yeah.
Ready?
Go for it. Peace.
Where did he come out of?
Nice. 15 minutes of battery again. It's funny, it was completely dead before. It recharged itself a little bit.
They're gonna be forever stuck in my brain.
No,
Nah.
not at all.
Nah.
Not at all.
Nah.
Not at all, yo.
You want one? There you go.
Watch the fall! Chris had his best.
What did you say about me?
Not incriminating.
I heard Chris.
Yep, we did. Just poking fun. You'll hear it on there.
we made it back sort of just in the nick of time,
Well,
even though we are a little wet.
I suppose I don't need this.
Nah, no sunblock.
I think it's fair today.
Oh. Oh! Huh. And you'll wonder why we rushed back to get out of the aluminum canoe. Folks at home, I don't know why you're watching this upside down right now, but on the right side, what did I say? That's what I thought. You don't know. Nor do I. That's what I meant, though.